Are we fans of Dave Ramsey? My name is Darius.
And I'm Carmen.
And we're the founders of Wealth Nation. As infinite bankers, we utilize whole life insurance as our vehicle for savings. Mm-hmm. And if you know anything about Dave Ramsey, he's huge on term insurance. Mm-hmm. So there could be a little bit of a conflict compared to what we're saying versus what he says.
A little bit.
But before we get into the content, Wealth Nation, if this is your first time on this channel, Wealth Nation is dedicated to showing you how to own your own lifestyle through a concept called infinite banking. Mm-hmm. And what we do is we answer questions and show you different techniques on how to grow and manage your banking system. Mm-hmm. So make sure you go down and click that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know every time that we come out with new videos.
Oh yes.
So with that being said, are we fans of Dave Ramsey or are we beefing?
Are we beefing? I don't know. We are fans of Dave Ramsey. We very much are fans of Dave Ramsey because when we got married, Dave Ramsey taught us how to budget. He taught us how to get our stuff in order. Mm-hmm. I wanted to use another word for that, but this is, YouTube. He taught us how to get everything in order as far as our finances go because we were a hot mess. Neither one of our families really taught us how to manage our money. So we came together and we were blowing money and doing all sorts of trips and having a ton of fun. And then we realized, oh, wait, what do we do?
Right. Yep, because we had money to burn.
Yeah, in our 20s, we were like, we're making money. And so Dave Ramsey brought us back to life. But the big piece about it is not only did he teach us how to budget, he taught us how to manage our finances, and he taught us how to come together as a unit to manage our finances together.
Yeah, we're very much graduates of Financial Peace University, which was really good for us in our marriage.
Oh my gosh. I mean, for real, guys, 5 years ago, we drank the Dave Ramsey juice so hard. We were giving books to our family and our friends, and we were telling everybody, sign up for Financial Peace. You know, this is amazing. And it was great. So Dave Ramsey got us through some financial hardships, and we got all the way through baby step number 4. So baby step number 3 is so what are baby steps? Dave Ramsey has a formula of how to accomplish different milestones throughout your financial journey, and he calls them baby steps. So baby step number 1 is save $1,000. Baby step number 2 is pay off all of your debt using a system that he calls the snowball system. You can look up all this information online. And then step 3 is to save between 3 to 6 months of your income. And then step 4 is to save 15% of your income in retirement accounts. So
that's the part where we started to
veer off.
We're
like, hold on a second. Because with what we knew about retirement accounts, we were like, wait, that doesn't jive very well with us.
Right.
And we also realized that we weren't going to save our way to become millionaires. We wanted to work smarter, not harder, and we wanted to have our cake and eat it too.
Right.
Because we like to travel, we like to eat out, we like to do a lot of good stuff, and we were basically taking all of our disposable income and putting it in retirement accounts, and that just wasn't our preference. So Darius and I started researching other things to do with your money, so then we leveled up. Right. And we got into the world of real estate investing and learned how to use your money like the big boys do.
So Dave Ramsey is still kind of like I say, the foundation of what we do, because what we learned is that when we come together for our finances, that's the best thing to do. We still have our budget meetings. We love the envelope system. So there are a variety of things that we still do that we learn from Dave Ramsey, because at the end of the day, when it comes to finances, you don't learn that. Well, you learn what you know about finances come from your family, from your community, from your surroundings. Yep. So it was perfect for us at that time where we were in our life to go through Financial Peace University.
Yeah, and it's just about evolution. For Dave Ramsey, we realized that so with Dave Ramsey, we realized that we had a consumer hat on. And what we wanted to do was take our consumer hat off and put the investor hat on. So that's exactly what we did. Like Darius said, we have an amazing foundation now that we work together as a unit with our money. And now we just have investor hats on, and we know the power of leverage. And we know how to work smarter, not harder, and further our financial success through infinite banking. And there's And there's nothing wrong with what Dave Ramsey says. Like we said,
because we had not whole life at the time. We had term insurance policies because that's what Dave Ramsey said.
Yep, told you we were drinking that juice, man. We were all about it. We had term insurance policies, everything.
Yeah.
We did everything Dave Ramsey told us to do.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I remember at work, I would have earphones on and I was listening to episode after episode after episode of his videos.
Yeah, and even the way we design the GPSs is using some of the things that Dave Ramsey talks about, because we start with the smallest expense and work our way up. The difference is we want those expenses in our pockets versus going off to the third-party financial companies.
Amen. So again, wrapping all this up, are we fans? Yes, we are. We just realized that we sprinkle a little bit of Dave Ramsey seasoning around some of the things that we do from a foundation standpoint. But moving forward, we've leveled up our financial game where we are now investors. So we are maximizing our efforts
through the concept called infinite banking.
Exactly. So if you're interested in learning about infinite banking and leveling up your financial game, just reach out to Darius and I, because we all realize that we have to start at certain points with our finances. Yep. And for us, we wanted to further our achievements.
Yep. So if you have zero money and have no clue where money's coming from, Dave Ramsey's great.
Yes. Figure that part out. And then come to us.
Right. So thank you so much for watching our video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at wealthnation.io. And remember, own your own lifestyle,
or someone else will.